Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the throttle BMW with finishing the Street Fighter LA kit. We're gonna get into the body work and then we're gonna get into the final paint. So welcome back, please subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Alright, so running through the final completion of this Street Fighter LA Widebody for the throttle BMW. So we went ahead and sanded this thing down, put a really thick primer on it, and then blocked it out, did all the body work, and then gave it another coat of primer, blocked it, wet sanded it, and then just did a final prep on it. Guys, if you guys could feel this kit, it literally feels like a baby's bottom. It's super soft. So that means it's ready to get cleaned up and get some paint on this thing. Richard, you done it again. Look at this, folks. All right, so this is the final step for the BMW for throttle. We got everything painted. This is the full 300 LA wide body kit. It came out absolutely amazing. Needed a little bit of work, but anything that's gonna usually be fiberglass is always gonna need this work. I mean, there's always gonna be those shops that just like scuff them and paint them. But anytime you work with fiberglass is fiberglass, you know, so it's always gonna have a little bit of wave, a little bit of you know, movement to it. So it's up to you to really work with it, and that's what really separates the shop. You know, people are willing to put that extra work and make these results happen, right? This looks amazing. I'm super happy with the guys. Richard laying down the paint, all the guys, Jose, Renee, really doing the body work and, you know, all the prep and everything. And this stuff, when it's fiberglass, it always needs a little bit of extra love. And I mean, you can look at this and compare it to like the metal steel body of the car, and I mean, it's gonna look almost as smooth as that. And that's just a lot of tender love and care that the fellas over here at SOS Custom put into this BMW. So now that you guys seen pretty much this whole car get painted, jammed, whatever, body work, so on and so forth, now everything is painted. It's time to get this thing assembled. Let's get to it.
The next day.
Alright, right now we're just cleaning up the BMW, getting any little imperfection off the paints, getting it ready so we can wash up, and we're gonna set it down to the boys at throttle. Alright, so here is the final product throttle build. Went ahead and went with the custom orange that was with the BMW orange base with a bronze pearl, and that really lightened up the color a lot. Some people would say it's even almost like a sherbet type of orange. I like it. I don't know if you guys do. Go ahead and drop your comments. But I think right now this car is missing a set of wheels really bad. Once the wheels are on here, this thing's gonna look amazing, and I'm super happy to be a part of this build. Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We went ahead and finished up this throttle Street Fighter LA build, and it looks great. Now it's just gonna be ready for its new set of wheels and some new parts. Don't forget, you guys can win this car just by simply going on to throttle.com and buying some car parts. So it's really a win-win here. You can get some car parts for your car, and you could win this 335i twin turbo, soon to be one of the baddest 335i on the market. And literally the last person that won a car through Throttle, all they did was buy a jet tag. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, and go ahead and follow us on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the links right there. Thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered.